Alright guys, just a quick one to going to start doing a rebuild on my I think it's an Edge 330 for 340 or something. It's about 5 years old, Hobbyking model. It's a 50cc size plane. I think it's a 2.2 wingspan. That's the nose cone off it, so you can see it's quite a monster. You can almost wear that as a hat. Don't believe I just did that, but I did. That's the all the wings are all in good condition. It's all there, fully aerobatic, no servos, electrics in it at the moment. But all the wings and all the auxiliary parts are all in good condition. But as you can probably see, I'll just grab the camera a sec. You can probably see the fuselage is not. I say the story goes, we're flying it in the funny farm. About it wasn't even called the funny farm back then. About 4 years ago, I changed the ignition battery from a NiCad to a Life-E battery, and the voltage, after about 5 minutes flying, the voltage fried the electronic ignition. So only trouble is, I was in a bad spot when I did it. I was doing a low pass over the field. The engine cut out. I managed to make it over the hedge, which in hindsight I probably should have stuffed in the hedge. Managed to make it over the hedge, and it belly flopped in the next field. Like I say, in hindsight, I should have just stuffed it in the hedge, and we would have had a bit of front end damage, but the plane would have been fine. As you can see, it's broke its back. What I'm planning on doing, bring the camera down here a minute. What I'm planning on doing, is roughly gluing the two halves back together, where the bits where it's snapped in the middle there, getting it on a level surface, and then kind of just making the rest up as we go. I think the top half should glue quite well because it's still a good contact. A bit of epoxy just to pin those two top sections in the right place, so the canopy fits. As you can see, the canopy is a monster piece as well. So we'll get the canopy on there, make sure everything still lines up, which it should do. Get screws out. Like you say, put it all together, make sure it all lines up. Get a couple of sticks, get a couple of balsa wedges in there to line everything up, and then just go to town with it. I've got some carbon strips coming, some meter line carbon strips. So it's going to go two down the sides, 2 on the bottom, 2 on this side. That should give it its main structural strength back. And then, as I say, and fill the sides with balsa and recover it. So it's going to be a bit of a work in progress. Got to work out where these, see that part looks like it goes in there somehow. But again, got to almost totally rebuild the inner part because it's, as you can see, it's just coming apart. But hey ho, it was too good a plane to leave on the sidelines. So it's a full 3D capable machine. Going to go electric with it this time. So we're going to go electric, and got a motor coming from that. I got a 50 to 80cc equivalent electric motor from Hobbyking. I think that was £113 against another 50cc engine, which was about £300. So in hindsight, it's a lot cheaper. I've got an ESC in here somewhere as well. Yeah, I've got a Hobbyking 200 amp ESC already in the bag. 2 to 7 lipos, so it might not be the right one, but we'll see how it goes. But anyway, cheers for watching. I'll keep you updated on how it goes. Ciao for now.